Hello and welcome back, my dear students. Now we'll start chapter number 13, motion and time. First we'll talk about motion. Motion is the change in position of an object with time. There are three different types of motions. They are motion along a straight line, rectilinear motion, example, motion of a car on a straight road. Periodic motion, example, motion of a pendulum. Circular motion, example, motion of the earth around the sun. Speed. Speed is the distance covered by an object in a unit time is called the speed of the object. Example, if a car covers a distance of 100 kilometers in 1 hour and the bus covers a distance of 50 kilometers in 1 hour, then the speed of the car is more than the speed of the bus. Since the speed of most objects are not constant, the speed is the average speed. Hence, speed equals to total distance covered upon time taken. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, if the speed of an object is constant, it is in uniform motion. Non-uniform motion, if the speed of an object keeps changing, it is in non-uniform motion. Measurement of time. This time is measured by using clocks or watches. Clocks and watches make use of periodic motion. Simple pendulum. A simple pendulum has a metallic bob suspended from a stand by a thread. If the bob is taken to one side and released, it moves to and fro. The to and fro motion of the simple pendulum is called periodic motion or oscillatory motion. Oscillation. When the bob moves from the mean position O to A and to B and back to O, it is called one oscillation. When the bob moves from one extreme position A to the other extreme position B and back to A, it is called one oscillation. Time period. The time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its time period. Units of time and speed. A. The basic unit of time is second. The larger unit of time are minutes, hours, etc. The basic unit of speed is meter per second. The large unit of speed is kilometer per hour. Ancient time measuring devices. Some ancient time measuring devices are sundials, water clocks, and sand clocks. Measuring speed. How we will measure the speed? The speed of an object can be measured if we know the distance covered by the object and the time taken. For example, if a car covers a distance of 100 kilometers in 2 hours, then the speed of car is 50 kilometers per hour by using the formula distance upon time. If we know the speed of car and the time, we can find the distance covered by it by the formula distance equals to speed into time. If we know the distance covered by the car and the speed, we can find the time taken by using the formula time equals to distance upon speed. There is a device called speedometer. Speedometer is a device which measures the speed of vehicle in kilometer per hour. B is odometer. Odometer is a device which measures the distance covered by a vehicle. First is speedometer, and the speedometer and odometer is shown in the figures. Thank you.